Tired of dragging around heavy air compressors and dealing with tangled hoses just to hang a few pictures or install trim? Say goodbye to the old way of doing things with this revolutionary cordless 2-in-1 brad nailer and stapler. This powerful 20V tool puts professional-grade fastening power right in your hands, no compressor required. Imagine completing your weekend DIY projects in half the time, without the noise and hassle of pneumatic tools. Whether you're building furniture, installing baseboards, crafting wooden frames, or upholstering chairs, this versatile tool handles both 18-gauge brad nails and staples with precision and ease. The lightweight design means you can work overhead or in tight spaces without arm fatigue, while the safety contact tip prevents accidental firing, keeping you and your family protected. With a magazine capacity that holds up to 100 fasteners, you'll spend more time building and less time reloading. The rechargeable battery ensures you're always ready to tackle the next project, and the included charger powers up quickly so you're never stuck waiting. From first-time DIYers to experienced craftsmen, this tool makes every job faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Transform your home improvement experience today. Find the product link in the description and comments below.